Hello, my name's Paul Maddox. I'm a mechanic, 42. Just over a year ago now, I lost my son in a car accident. What can I say about Michael, really? It's like any healthy lad, I suppose. Outgoing, up for life. Just got his car. Started to see less of him, out with his friends and all that stuff. The one good quality time I had with Michael was always in the morning. We used to get up together. I used to get him up and make his breakfast. We used to have a bit of a laugh and stuff. And quality. He was at college studying to be a mechanic like myself, and he was due to join my company when he left university, college. 2 months he had left. Well, what happened was I was fixing this car. I can remember exactly what I was doing as well. It's funny, innit, when things like this happen. I just remember Gary coming over, who was one of my employees, saying, "You've got this phone call from Michael's college. It seems to be urgent." Just sort of when they said that he's been in a car accident, numb, just like numb. It's weird, innit? You know, it's like everything was muffled. Time slows down. I just remember getting in the car and like nothing was going quick enough, you know. It's just everyone was in the way, but I mean, the big temptation is obviously to sort of like put your foot down and stuff. What can you do? You know, your son. But I managed it. I suppose it's ingrained in me. Being a mechanic, I don't know, but you know, I kept to all the rules of the road and all that stuff. And then it continues. You get in the hospital, and it's just like corridors, like long corridors, like door after door, this door, that door. And then there it was. I can still see it in my mind's eye now. Yeah. 14C. That's where my son was. My lad. I mean, you just don't think it's going to happen, do you? It's 1 second and my life's changed. Do you know he wasn't drinking? No. He wasn't drinking, and he wasn't even speeding. It's not fair. It's almost like the amount of people that get away with that, and he's just... What happened was, he was following his mates in the car in front. They just narrowly missed this bus. Michael's car got it. Obviously it's not the same now. It's like like one of them adverts for the gas or something, you know, when you see the colour and then you see everything in blue and then they put the fire in and it's all colour. I don't know, it's like that colour bit was before and now it's all like there's nothing there. Susan won't let me touch the room. She can't handle it. She's not the same. We just like two zombies. Oh, for him not wearing his seatbelt. Of all the things. 2 months he was going to join us. I should be ordering his overalls, not his coffee. He had this subwoofer on his car. Used to annoy the hell out of me, it did. And these days, you know, you hear it. You hear one, don't you? I never really realised before, but I do now. It's just subconsciously, just something inside you just goes, and then you realise it's not Michael at all.